Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
We're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis. And live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Yo, what is good, everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks, and we're back, baby. AJ, back to the grind. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I had to take a couple days off. I wasn't able to do the live stream stuff. The laptop, I went to the Apple store, and they had to take the computer to fix it. So, yeah, I mean, I didn't have a way to do it, so I just ended up taking off Thursday and Friday, but it's Monday, and we are officially back. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. So we don't have a trade to review from Friday because obviously we didn't have a live. But you know, if we look at Wednesday when we're here, it looks like the sales actually triggered down to the next zone, broke that, came back, retested, and continuing down for GJ. See what gold looks like. Same thing, gold buys. Look, I mean, it went up all the way up here. Obviously, it came down, reached down, tested these zones down here before it continued up, but regardless, it still pushed up quite a bit. So we're just gonna jump in and clean it up, clear up the charts. You know how we like to do. We start with clean charts, clean, fresh charts. Let's look what the monthly is looking like. All right, so this monthly, it is bearish. Officially, it is bearish. Looks like it hit its resistance up here. It's pushing down. I mean, it still got 18 days left for the month, for the monthly candle, but it is pushing down. It'd be interesting to see what happens at this level below the previous candle, about 148.35. That's very long term. It's monthly. We've had this huge bullish push, and now we're starting to see a little bit of a pullback here. You know, I wouldn't say on the monthly it's completely bearish. I know this candle is bearish, but you would want to start to see new lows being formed to consider that, you know, breaking market structure. Anyways, this is what the weekly looks like. Last week we closed bearish, so there you have it. It looks like here, I mean, this candle was bearish engulfing from this one and this one and this one. But it looks like it just kind of wicked here, pulled back a bit. So we'll see how this week continues. We could continue to push down, start to see, you know, testing the low of this wick, maybe fill this wick, breaking some more market structure, creating new lows, start to see the trend downwards. Maybe. We'll see. That's the weekly. Let's look at the daily. On the daily, we are bearish, and see, like on Friday, Friday we closed bullish, but you see, look at this. I guess the whole week was kind of bearish, and then this is kind of a doji sign of exhaustion, price exhaustion, indecision. So this could be a bottom right here, like a level of support, and this price could turn around from here. Now this is on the daily. We have 15 hours left on this. I know it's pushing down right now, testing the lows, but it could totally pull up, you know. Who knows? I mean, we don't know. I mean, we have this low here, right? We have this kind of low where it's created. Unless it breaks below here, you know, there's a chance that it could pull it back up, just because this candle right here shows, I mean, we have the trend all week pushing down, and then this candle right here shows us that we're like kind of running out of gas, you know what I'm saying? Like the size of the candle, the wicks to the both sides, and it closing as bullish. So could easily be a doji reversing, price reversal sign. Anyways, let's look what the 4 hour looks like. Okay, remember today is Monday, guys, so we're not I mean, if there's a trade, we'll take it, but remember, it's slow on Mondays. Volume is coming back into the market, starting back up, so let's not blow our wad, blow our load on Monday. We got all week, baby. All right, so yeah, so let's mark some of these levels here. I'm gonna change this color here so I know that these are the 4 hours. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. So we have this level down here. And really, I mean, this thing kind of broke already down here. I mean, this was a 4 hour level of support here, and it's broken that, right? Let's see what the 1 hour looks like. That. To the 30-minute. So see this right here on the 30-minute. Change the colors. .30-minute is right here. Breaking this, we have about 20 pips this way. Level 1, 33, 2, and then 61. Push all the way down to the 4 hour, 88. That'll be a long-term move, but target those levels. So maybe we can put our first price area here, 149.694. Break below. Breaking to the top side, you know, probably right here, 42 pips, 69 if it comes test this level. And that's just because I'm looking at this right here. I see that. Because it looks like here kind of fizzled out, consolidated, try to spike down, probably just picked up some volume pre-London, and then London opened on Friday and it just pumped it up to this level. Respected, started melting, and it's just been pushing down. So we shall see. We shall see. This is what we're looking at right here. Got about a 70 pip range up here and about a 90 pip range down here. Either way, we can take buys yourselves. Let me go ahead and type this up for you guys. Potential buys above 150.054. And potential sells below 149.694. That is what we are looking at. Now it looks like it's Cut it up to test the top side of this. And ideally we don't want it to be this candle to break, because, well, I mean, if it breaks right here, we got to put our stops below the wick, like a 30 pip stop. First level up here, 41 is not really, the risk to reward's not good enough, you know. Ideally we want the candle to close above on this side, the body of the candle, and then you know, have a wick this way, maybe like 15 pips to the downside. 10-15 pips would be nice, right? Something like that. So it may be the next candle. Right now we got about 10 minutes left on this candle, and we're just waiting. Gotta be patient. It's Monday, you know. We want to be just conscious of that it's Monday and take that into account whenever we are taking a trade and setting up our risk, right? You want to risk 1 to 3% when you're entering a trade, but on Monday, you know, you should probably take less. I'm not going to tell you guys what to do, but it's just smart, you know. Seeing this whole thing, like, yeah, we really need to close up here because we got this 4-hour level of support here, turned resistance, completely disrespected, holding as resistance. So if it can't break up above this, then, you know, I probably don't want to be taking buys, you know. So we'll see how it reacts here. What's up, Tom? Welcome. Glad to see you made it back. Sorry I was gone for a couple days. I was not able to do the streams, but I'm back, and we ready. Like you abandoned us? Nah, bro. I won't abandon you guys. I just had I was saying earlier, the laptop, my Mac laptop that I was gonna use to stream while I was out of town, because I had to go out of town for a few days. I went to the Apple store and then they wanted me to like ship it off. Like they couldn't fix it there. They had to like ship it off to, like, the back casing was coming off or some shit, like, because the battery was like defective and swelling, so it was popping the casing off of my laptop. It was like a custom Mac that I spent like $3,000 on 2 years ago, and they were like, "Oh, just buy a new one. We'll give you like $700 credit." And I was like, "What?" But they wanted to like take my laptop, and I can't do that because like I have a bunch of like documents saved on that laptop. So I was like, "Nah, let's not do that." But anyways, that's why I couldn't stream. I sent out a Telegram message, but I was trying to like wait for some setups, but nothing really played out the way I wanted to. And yeah, so I didn't have any calls Wednesday or Thursday. I mean Thursday, Friday. Sorry, Wednesday we were live. But either way, I'm back. Look how this candle is actually reacting right here. So we got strong bullish candle pushing up after this move down, right? And then the second one is continuing right here. On what's good? Hi from Morocco. What's going on, bro? Welcome to the stream. Welcome. So you see we have like 6 minutes left on this candle. and ideally we don't want this one to be the break, right? Because we're waiting on the 30-minute, and it would be this one. So like this wick is fine. I'm just a little concerned that with the like small wick to the downside, it is bullish engulfing, so you know that gives me some confidence there. But what I want to see is really just that candle breaking up here. You know, ideally like the next candle would be nice to come up and like have that wick up here, and then maybe come down, close below, and then we get the actual break, right? Because remember, I'm looking at the body of the candle, not the wicks, but the body to be closed above this price area. Price area I have notated here for you. If you guys want to take a picture, screen grab, whatever, notate it, mark it down, copy it to your charts, do what you got to do. Thanks, brother. Appreciate it. Have a good session. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, man. I'm ready to come back into it, get back into the groove, have a nice week. Like I just want to like erase yesterday. Last week was a short week because I had to go out of town, and then the trades I did take were 2 back-to-back L's. So I was like, fuck, damn it. Like I didn't want to end the week like that. I wanted it to be at least break even. And I did end up taking like a gold trade on my own. I didn't have a chance to send it out. Like it was like executing. It was a scalp, and I was jumping in, and I jumped in, and by the time I got in to try to like send it out on Telegram, it was flying. So I was like, no, I'm not gonna send it out. Like I know you guys. I know some people will be like impatient and try to chase a trade if they see it. Even if they see it's past their like setup, you know. So I didn't want to send it out and like risk that for people, you know. So I just said fuck it. Like I took a little bit of money, and I mean I still didn't even. I mean I took a small loss because with that gold win trade, but I didn't even break even with it. So because I got out, like I could have held it and probably been profitable for the week. But it was hectic as hell last week, man. Like, cause after Wednesday's stream, Thursday, I had to, yeah. So Wednesday, after Wednesday's stream, I had to like, get everything ready, take off. I hadn't even packed when I did the stream, and then I took off. I had to get to San Antonio, and then I flew out Thursday morning from San Antonio, and I mean it was game over. So but yeah, I mean it was just a crazy hectic week last week. But I'm back. You know, these 2 little spikes down here could easily be just like fake outs or like volume grabs, you know. Because it looks like it's had been holding here. So we'll see how this reacts here. We got about 2.5 minutes on this candle. Remember, we don't really want this candle to be the candle to break, but I don't mind it, you know, getting close up here, right? Like I said, it could even, you know, wick it and close below, and then it be the next candle, because then we'd have a nice stop loss, risk to reward, you know. We'll get everything play out in our favor. But I do think overall GJ has been moving down. The only thing that I said earlier that was kind of concerning was this daily doji right here of yesterday or Friday, that it closed bullish. Right after the whole bearish week, it closed bullish on this. And this could be a price reversal sign to go back up to the upside. So, and then, you know, maybe possibly testing a higher high, right? Then 153.19, 196. I mean, that's a possibility. Because look, I mean, if you look at the pattern, you know, you have your low here, higher low, higher low, high, higher high, higher high, mean, that's kind of the overall pattern here. But again, like I said, that's on the daily, so that's definitely like a long-term play, and we're just trying to catch something in between that, right? So even if it goes up, you know, we still have opportunity to catch movements to the downside or to the upside. You know, the strategy I'm trading, for those people that are new here, I'm trading the breakout strategy. I'm just identifying a range and looking at basically my probabilities of movement to either side. What's good, Sonny? Yeah, we were abandoned. Nah, man, I didn't abandon y'all, man. My bad. I just, you know, I had to take care of some shit. But I'm here. I'm here. Yo, tomorrow's my birthday, man. And I'm gonna be here live on the stream for you guys. Okay, so we got a new candle here, new 30-minute candle. It is pushing down, which is fine. It could be the nice wick to the downside and then push up. We could essentially have like a 16, 15 pip stop loss, depending on where this candle closes up on. We got 29 minutes, so we got some time. And Aries, yes sir. You know, before I forget, let me share my day. Yo, and this could easily just continue to the downside. Like if it goes lower than here, you know, we'll be looking to break down here. And breaking down here to the left, like, let's see. So really it's right here. We have breaking here, we have clean traffic down to here. The first level. And then we got another level right here. Another one right there. And final one down here. Essentially. That's just so you know kind of where price may have reactions, right? Important to note that down. Also to the upside, breaking up here, and we have this area right here. Boom, breaking that right there. A little area right here. Boom, and then right that to the top right there. Boom. There's your target levels. I try not to put so many things on the chart, man, because like I know you guys probably see these prices and stuff and it can get confusing with a lot of stuff on the chart. But I try to keep it to a minimum just to be able to like describe and show you guys what I'm talking about. Yo, I literally got in today like 2 hours ago. Like I haven't even taken a nap or nothing. So hopefully you guys appreciate the effort, because I'm exhausted. I wanted to like sleep. My whole scheduling is off. But I want to at least, even if we don't take a trade Monday, you know, if it's a no trade day today, I wanted to at least get back into seeing what the market was looking like. Because I didn't really, I mean, I just had alerts set up Thursday, Friday, and nothing really triggered, so I didn't really keep up to what it was looking like. this thing like falling now. You know, if it goes too low, you know, our risk to reward may be off. So gotta keep that in mind. And that's why, you know, it's all about reading the price, seeing what it's doing, where it's at, like to be able to make the best decision you can. Sasha, oh yeah, Sasha. Hey, Sasha's from Montreal. I know you're talking about Sasha FX Dog or some shit like that. Marks up all quarter points. Yeah, that's a little too much for me, man. I mean, I don't, you know, I start completely clean every time. Like, I only put this stuff up on here so you guys can see, like, because I see the levels right away, and I don't need this to see them. Like, you know, I see it right away, and I can kind of eyeball to see whether it's worth it or not, you know. But I know there's a lot of people here that aren't used to that and haven't been trading that consistent to be able to recognize that. So like I draw it out so you can see it, you know. God's mine. Good morning, Lord Banks. I missed you. Had a poor network earlier, but I finally tuned in. Nice. Welcome. Yeah, my bad, bro. I've been out. I've been out for a few days. I had to go out of town, and then I wasn't able to do the streaming. My laptop had to get taken to get fixed, so I didn't have it available to be able to stream. But we're back, ready to have an amazing week. Hopefully, get us a week to forget about last week, because last week was crap. Let's look at the news. What do we got going on for news? So Monday, April 12th, we got a red folder for CAD. That shouldn't bother us. At 12:01 p.m., we got a orange folder for USD. This could have an impact. NSD, nope. AUD, CNY, nope. Those won't bother us. Tuesday, nothing until 7:30 USD, 7:30 AM. So we should be good today. 12 o'clock, we shouldn't be in trades anymore. So there is that one orange folder at 12 p.m. But we should definitely be out of trades by then, right? The Chinese indicator says, ooh, no strength for GBP, all JPY. We should see this thing melting. What the losers are doing. 54% are short. Oh shit, last week it was like 65, so maybe some of them took their profits, some of them still holding. Maybe some of them are wrong. We'll see, we'll see. Yeah, so this now is like at a 23 pip stop if it breaks just above and closes. So I want to think about that, consider that, factor that in with the numbers whenever I'm deciding whether or not to jump into the trade. Yeah, welcome guys. Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I stream live Forex trading Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Except last week I was gone Thursday and Friday. I had some businesses to take care of and was out. But I'm back. I am back. Man, I can't find. Whatever. Anyways, you guys want to look at gold real quick? We got 20 minutes. See what gold's doing. This was a markup from last week, so we can go ahead and remove that. Look at what the monthly is looking like. Okay, so it looks like it hit some support here last month. It's currently bullish for this month. and it is the body, the volume of the candle is already pushing higher than last month's. So you see how this is bearish, and then this is kind of like a doji, but it is a bearish doji. This is an indication of price exhaustion, price reversal, that it could change, right? Now we do see it pushing up. So like if we see this month close engulfing this, then that's a higher probability that we will continue to the upside, testing the next level. You see right here, level of resistance. So, but that's a monthly, guys. So that's like, you know, that may be like a few months for there. Let's see the weekly. So last week we ended bullish. So it looked like we pushed down here, found some support, pulled up, retested, rejected it, and then last week we ended up bullish. But you see how you see this level here, it's still being respected, 1745. So maybe there's a level of resistance there, and it's just tapping it, pushing down. Yeah, because I mean this level down here, the wick, I mean, it completely rejected it, pushed down, then just woof, all in the same week. Look at the daily. So daily, what do we see? Friday we were bearish. Thursday we were bullish. Some nice volume there. But the candle Friday didn't, it closed within this candle. So maybe it will continue to push up. Nice little level of support here. Maybe this is testing that support before it pushes up. If it breaks to the downside, or really you would want to see it breaking right here, 1727. We got some clean room down here to 1684, 1685. That would be nice. That would be nice. If it breaks to the top on the daily, right? Breaks right here. You know, we got some nice clean room up here, 1805. So okay. So here's the 4 hour. Could mark up some stuff here. Levels. So we see this top level right here, right? And we have this bottom level right here. Bunch of crazy wicks down here. And like I said, I mean, I probably wouldn't take this one because it's like 34, 35 pips. Probably would want to see it break below this level. That's like a nice 93 pips. But let's look at that on the 30-minute, right? I just wanted to identify tops and bottoms there. Get the 1 hour. We can move this down a bit here. See, this is where it wicked out. Created this kind of double bottom. Boom, boom. Pushed up, fizzled out. But this was Friday, right? That makes sense. Yeah, let's look at 30-minute here. What does a 30-minute say? I mean, I see this right here. Let me change the color. It's kind of breaking right now. only 24 pips, so 42, 63, 88. I just don't like all of this, you know? I'd probably much rather have like it break up above over here. 25 pips there. Potentially moving up to here about 112. Yeah, this is what I'm focusing on right here. Just because how choppy this is, like I want certainty, you know. To the downside, see if we break below here, we don't really have much room unless we break below this, because then we have the wick fill, about 30 pips, and then the next level 46, 65, 84, bottom down here about 100. Let me just go ahead and get a bottom level here. Yeah, you see, that's what I was saying right here. Okay. I mean, this itself is probably like 120 pip range. It's just this opportunity right here. Although, I mean, it could totally break here and then move to the upside to test this area, but I don't like all of this. And this is because this was Friday's. This was Friday's movement. But I'm not going to risk, not on a Monday, like, you know, we could be risky and say, okay, let's take a buy on the break above this, which would make more sense on the range. But this whole thing being a Monday, I don't have enough confidence in saying that, oh yeah, we're headed that way, we have volume, and we can break all of that, you know? Which it could totally happen. It could, but that's the risk, right? Like we could miss that. But I'm not gonna jump in just to jump in. So that's what I'm looking at. Let me go and write this up. Write this up. Okay, so we're looking at potential buys above 1745.962. Okay. And then we're looking at potential sells below 1733.957. Okay. Does that make sense? DJ's breaking. Let's see. DJ is breaking. On this one, 12 minute. Maybe this is just a wick. Hopefully it's a wick because it's a big stop loss right here. 27 pips. Damn. I don't really want to risk almost 30 pips on a fucking Monday, you know? Just because look, our first target level is right here. Right? We want this to make sense. It's like a 1.2. Hopefully this is just a wick. We got about 11 minutes left. What did the 15 do? That 15. Maybe the 15 would be a good entry, but I don't want to do that. It's like, it's 20 pips. No. No, we're going to wait on the 30. We're going to wait on the 30 because this could just be jumping up to grab some volume before it continues down. was the strength index? Yeah, the GBP is gaining strength. It's 119. So we're officially in pre-London. We have about 30 minutes, 40 minutes for London Open. And usually there's volume with London Open, which would push us up, right? So it's going to be a game time decision at 10 minutes. Even the 5, like 5 looks good too, but I don't know if I'm willing to risk it. 21 pips, fuck. I just feel like we could get a better setup. Let's hope that this pushes it back down and it's just a wick. And the next candle is our candle. That'd be nice. And it would fit perfectly with the London session. Like this one will finish out at 1:30. And then the next one will finish right at 2. Have a small stop. Have London Open. Pushing up that volume. It would be nice. It would be nice. Nice, nice. See what this looks like. All right, so let's go back to, we have about 8 minutes. Let's go to gold. I just want to mark out some levels. Be aware of. If it breaks, we got level down here. Level right there. Right there. Right there. And then down there. We break to the top at this level. This level. That level. Pushing up. See what happens. DJ is about 7.5 minutes. 7.5 minutes for this 30-minute candle. Come on, GJ. Pull back. Six and a half minutes here. All right. Got about 5.5 minutes. So it'd be nice if we could get like a pullback below and just wick it, so the next candle can be our candle. Because at this point, if it's right here, like if it closes right there, we got about a 25 pip risk. First level's at 36 pips. It's not really worth it. And this is still pushing up. Got about 4 minutes. Damn, look at this thing. I mean, I just have a feeling it's gonna pull back some. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live stream Forex trading Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. I've been gone for a couple days because I was out of town, but god dang, look at GJ, what the hell? That's too much. Like it's already eaten up half of, like, definitely not worth it now. Hitting this level too right here. Yeah, I think it's gonna pull back. Two and a half minutes left here. 2.5 minutes left. Got 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. See what it does. Eric Marino, what's good? What's up? How's it going, bro? Nah, I'm not in. I'm not in. I'm not in this thing. I was waiting for a candle close, and then it's busted up like. Got about a minute left on the candle. Gold's chilling. I made 50% on gold when you weren't here. I scalped it. Nice. Yeah, I took a trade on gold on Thursday. It was Thursday or Friday. And it closed the gap of my 2 L's during the week. But like I was saying earlier, I didn't have enough time to call it out because it was also a scalp. Like by the time I was ready to send it out in the Telegram, like it made its move. I didn't want to send it out and people trying to chase it and losing, blowing accounts and shit. You know, some people don't know how to like take a signal, like take a trade idea and see that it's executed and it's pushed already. Okay, so the candle closed way up here. There's no way I'm entering that. Like, I mean, even if I was to go off the 15s, 27 pip. No. Definitely not. It was Friday. Yeah, so I'm not getting in because the risk to reward ratio is not, it's not worth it. Like, not a good setup. And this could easily continue pushing up and hit this level, hit this level, hit that level, but that's what you got to do. Like sometimes you got to just watch it watch it move your direction and just miss it because you want the trade to execute how you see it moving and executing and in your favor. Even if it closes above here and continues, you know, although I was right, like it didn't give us a good entry. So there's nothing we can do about that, you know? Absolutely nothing. Imagine if we would have got in on the close, been in drawdown. I mean, it's only like 3 pip drawdown, but still. Like risking 35 pips for only like 25 is not good numbers, not good probability for us. Yo, Sonny, when you're taking scalps, are you just shooting for like 10, 15 pips? Or you just keep adding on, scaling in positions till you hit a target or what? How do you take your scalps? This completely pushing down. I think this was bullshit. I think this push up was just bullshit. Because overall, I think GJ is bearish. Look, well, we have this whole bearish move down, pull up, continuation, fill in the wick right here. Really just needs a break to come to this main 4-hour level. Take 20, 30 pips if I can't. Nice. I wonder if we have a. Let's see. Let's look at this potential fib setup here. Not bad. Look, I mean, came over here is respecting this golden zone. What do you guys think? Good sells or what? Have like a 10 pip stop. We can target a new low, about 50 pips. I'm concerned about trying to take a short right now because London Open is coming up, and usually there's the push up, right? The volume of London GBP going up. So I don't want to like get ahead of myself and take a sell. Like I'd feel much more comfortable taking it below the break of my, specified target down here. But this looks like it could be a nice fib setup. I tested this moving average already. This could be rejecting it, pushing it down. More than likely this will come down to test this one. About 15 pips to the downside. Well, we'll see. Just being patient. I had 2 for 22, 1 for 15. I had 1 small runner catch 63 pips. Nice. Sounds like you had a good session. Come on, baby. It's going to be interesting to see what happens right here. Whether it holds this or breaks back into the range. The runner went for 40 minutes and I was like, I'll just take it. Yeah, bro. You can't lose money taking profits, bro. That is for sure. For sure. Got about 6 minutes left on this candle. 21 on the 30. And this could just be this area here that it's kind of respecting. You see this level of support right here, breaking through, retesting to continue down. Could be. So, but we would need like some clear indication on this candle, you know, because I know we would be running into this here. So, but we do have the clean traffic. See, like if this candle was to close and we'd say, okay, let's get in for a sell. We do have some clean traffic for like 34 pips. Right here. Even though there is this level. There's no wick to the top though. It was good because I would have lost a runner. Look back at gold. When was it, on Friday? Let's see here. No, Friday was right here. Got some sales. Got a pullback. And then it melted. Yeah, I did on Thursday. I scalped buys. Was this move right here? It was like Thursday morning. Nice, you caught the melt. You caught this move right here. Oh yeah. What did you jump in on the retrace? Right here. Probably saw this bearish engulfing. Got that. I mean, the bearish engulfing candle, if you would have jumped in right there, stops above about 43 pips. Got like 100 plus. Potentially like 130 pips. Yeah, that was a nice move. And that thing, I mean, thing never went into drawdown. Like maybe 1 or 2 pips right there. But that would have been a really nice trade. That's the one you caught. Okay, this thing pushes rejecting now. What are you gonna do, GJ? What are you gonna do? What do you guys think? You think this is gonna pull back up? $17.40.69. Oh, that's where you took it to? Or where you jumped in? Oh, right here. Boom. Going up. Yo, Efrain, what's up? Good, bro. Welcome back. Welcome back. AJ, you say, do you think it's gonna go up? 1734.39. Oh wow, yeah, you took it down here. Nice. Nice, because yeah, that, I mean, it just wicked down and rejected it. What were you what time frame were you trading on? The scalp, you're probably like 5:15, maybe even the 1 minute. Long time, bro. How's it going? I mean, I'm good, man. I've been gone for a couple days, but I'm back. I was out of town, so I wasn't on the live stream Thursday or Friday, but I'm back in action. Ready to have a phenomenal week. Today's Monday, a little slow. This thing did break above our target area here, but the risk to reward was not good enough for us. So we stayed out, and the good thing is that Look at this, it's melting. If we would have jumped in, we would have taken 13 pip drawdown, currently 7 pips in drawdown. About 15 minutes left here. Yeah. It just doesn't look promising right now. 15 minutes, nice. I missed part of it because it moves so fast. Oh yeah, I mean, you know, gold moves like crazy. Nice, you were comfortable with it. Hell yeah. Yeah, once you get a feel for how gold moves with its quick moves and its spikes in either direction, it gives you a little bit more confidence, you know, like when you're in the trades. Okay, we got about 14.5 minutes left, and looks like it's rejecting this area, which is a level of support and resistance. It was resistance, it broke through. Maybe it's respecting that to continue higher. Obviously, we wouldn't jump the gun and be like, okay, let's jump into a buy right here because this is a better price point. Like, first of all, our stops would still be down here below this wick, about 27 pips. So that kind of sucks. And second of all, this is not clear indication that it's going up. I mean, it's bearish. You know, we need bullish confirmation to say that we're going up. You know, because this could easily continue to melt. Hopefully that makes sense. It's like spiking up. I mean, it is pushing up, but ugly. We want big, beautiful candles, like. I'm just thinking, like, if this closes bearish to the downside, maybe we could have a nice trade pushing down. See what the Chinese indicator says. GBP has all the strength. JPY is coming down. We've got London open in like 10 minutes. Just waiting, guys. Gotta be patient. Gotta be patient. At about 5.5 minutes. But I might take an impulse trade here, breaking the top of this to come and fill up to this level. I mean, I like the ratio that it's at. I mean, breaking above here, but that would be, we wouldn't really be waiting on a close. We would just be waiting on price to come here and enter execute and let the volume carry us, because we got London Open happening in 6 minutes, which ideally would push us up. We have 15 minutes, 15 pip stop to gain about 23, 24 to this first level, potentially more, you know. This could potentially right up here, and that would be a hell of a trade. So yeah, I'm gonna look at the numbers for this. About 4 minutes. 30 is pulling all the way back. A big rejection right there. Like 3 pips away from busting up above this. Like I said, if it gets to that level, I will take a buy. Putting stops below this wick. And that'd be nice with the London Open to push us with the volume. 15 pips. First level would be right there. Ooh, okay, we got about 2 minutes. On the 15, it's getting close. Completely reversing right there. Oh. Got about a minute and a half. See what this thing is gonna do. What you gonna do, GJ? Because this could have easily just been the break, retest, rejected it, pushing back up. Especially because there was no wick on this candle. I got 50 seconds here. Like a pip away. I'm getting ready to jump in, guys. Give me one little push. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay, I'm jumping in, guys. It's at my price point here. I know the candle hasn't closed or just closed. So I'm in. We are in an active trade. Let's see what price did I get in at? I got in A little lower here. 8. Okay, 1-8, boom. Okay, we're in profit. We are in profit. Pulling down a bit. It's all good. We got London opening. Want to see that volume for GBP push up. Just push us up into a nice little. See, we're seeing 13.6. Let's just risk an even 15. Okay. We are in profits. So 15 from here is 5, 6, 2, 3, 3, 6, 8. Okay, this is our take profit 1. Take profit 2, 3, and up here for 4. Okay, so we're in an active trade, guys. We went ahead and executed a buy on here as soon as we saw this candle breaking the price up above. I actually got in a little bit lower. My broker, the price was lower on there when I jumped in. So, yeah, I mean, and we're in profits. First trade of the week. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, now we're in drawdown. About 1.5 pips. DJ fucking with us. What up, William? Yeah, I mean, it's just London is just opening up, and this could just be the bottom wick. So it's all good. Like, really, if we look at this, we don't want to see the body closing below this level. Like, if this candle closes below here, then maybe I'll take a portion of my position off. Like maybe close half of it or something. But ideally this could be a nice bottom wick. It's creating lower highs, I mean higher lows. Here's your low, here's your low, here's your low, and then ideally you want to see the higher highs. So we're still good. I mean, we got 10 minutes left, 10.5 minutes. Like I said, London just opened, so let's give it some time. Let's give it some room to breathe. Come on, baby. Let's go, baby. Currently down like 3 pips. Go GJ. Have a good session. Let's have a good session. Good start to the week. All right. We're at break even, guys. If you're scared, get the fuck out right now. All right.
Get the fuck out of here!
You hear me? If you're scared, get out. You're in profits right now. If you're scared and you can't hold it, you over leverage or whatever the fuck, get out if you're not confident. This is your one and only chance because we're in profits right now. We're up about 4 or 5 pips and it's pushing, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Don't call it a comeback, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. We're up 6 pips. Come on, baby. Just fly. Fly. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. 10 pips. We up 10 pips, 11 pips, almost 12 pips. Here we go, baby. Here we go. About to hit TP1. Let's go. Doing it live for you guys. Never scared. What up, Lisa? Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. I'm about to make back all the fucking money I spent this weekend on the trip. Fucking splurged a little. Come on, baby. Don't cut me short. Push. Push, baby, push. Then boom, pull back. Hey, don't put that juju over here, bro. Like, we hitting take profit 1, 2, 3, and 4. Watch. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. Birthday money. Hell yeah. That's what it is. Yo, I always, every fucking year, have a phenomenal month for my birthday month. Every time. And I'm usually like, I usually take the whole month and like travel. And like, I'm like trading literally from my phone and shit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push. Get that London volume in. Yo, if you're just joining the stream, we're in an active trade. We're in profits. We're in profits. And if you're just joining, you're probably too late to jump in. I wouldn't jump in right here. Way up about 9.5 pips. Got some nice volume going up. Got about 5.5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 5 minute looks nice. 15, 30, hell yeah. I like it. I like it. 1 hour, even the fucking 1 hour looks beautiful. 4 hour, hell yeah. Look at this. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Don't call it a comeback. Don't call it a comeback. Come on, baby. Hit TP1. Hit TP1. Hit TP1. Come on. Come on. You're not even a pip away, dude. Come on. Come on. Boom. TP1 hit, baby. We do it live for you every fucking day. Give me my fucking money. That's what I'm talking about. TP1 hit. Guys, these levels are levels for you to take action. Whether you're closing half, partials, whatever, do what you want. Adjusting stop loss to break even. look, I'm setting it up for you guys. Like, you got to manage your trade. Let's get it, baby. Let's go to TP2. Let's go to TP2. We ain't scared. We still holding. Hell yeah. Better fucking recognize Lord Banks, baby. Beat them goddamn Banks. Every day. Every day. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Got about 3.5 minutes left here on this candle. Let's go. That's what I like to fucking see. Hell yeah, on a fucking Monday, guys. You guys are welcome. You're welcome. Literally just came up, kissed TP1. That's nice 15 pips. Sheesh. On a Monday, guys. Let's go. Let's go. I just want to see this thing skyrocket, bro. Like, just... psh. Still doing... pushing up. Who took the trade? Anybody? Any one of you guys take the trade? I'm in on it. Nice. That's what's up. AJ getting some paper. That's what's up. Stack it up. It's a beautiful move, man. I mean, like, this was more of an impulse that we took. We didn't wait for the close, just because if we would have waited for the close, we could have run the potential of ruining our risk to reward. But it set up pretty nice for us. Obviously, I would have wanted to catch the setup right here, which was just really like 15 pips. Would have been an extra 15 pips we would have made, but it's okay. Like, we take what the market gives us, you know, and we got to be happy with that. Like, we can't get greedy, and we can't put ourselves in a position where we're taking setups that don't make sense probability wise and risk to reward ratio wise. So we just have to be conscious of that. Come on, new candle. Pump it up, baby. Pump it up. Pump it up. Even this one's looking nice. I mean, it already created a little bottom wick. Let's go, baby. Let's just fucking fly. I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I hope more than just AJ caught this trade, because it's looking hella nice. We already hit TP1, and you can see, like, you know, where we set our levels, you have price reaction to that. You see it touched it and then kind of pulled back from there. So maybe we need a bigger candle to break through that area. Continue up, you know. Lisa's in it. Hell yeah. Make that money. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Fly, baby, fly. Ideally, it would have been better if we would have caught it like with less drawdown, but that's what it gave us, you know. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. But this might pull back to test this moving average if it's going to continue up. 5-minute close, bearish doji. So I'm good with 15 pips if it was just 15 pips, but I mean, I'll ride this thing as far as it's gonna go. What you gonna do, GJ? What you gonna do? Got about 10 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Sheesh, I mean, that was nice. That was hella nice. Fat rejection right there. Close bullish. Perfect. I just want to see some more volume breaking above, you know? Push it up. Ugh. Man, I'm tired too. And slept. I landed like at 5 o'clock today for my flight from Florida. Yeah, I went to Florida, man, and the first night I was there, I was at this bar and like there was like this, like people got into a fight or something, and then the cops came, and then someone got shot, dude. And like the guy, someone died because someone got taken out in a body bag. Like an ambulance came and put someone in a black bag and then put them in the ambulance. That shit was nuts. And then like the following day, in front of my hotel, there was like a fatal motorcycle accident. Like, it was nuts. Like, damn. It's pulling back some. Pulling back. That's why I tell you guys, that's why I put these levels, man. You guys need to be taking some kind of action, adjusting stop loss to break even, taking some profits, doing something. Like, I mean, if you want to make the decision to continue to hold, you can. But remember, like, that's greed. Greed does that to you. It's like, ah, nah, I want to catch this, I want to catch this, I want to catch this with my full position, and you lose the money you have on the table. You know. We still in this though. We still in it. See what happens here. We got about 7.5 minutes. 7.5 minutes. See what the Chinese indicator has to say. Ooh, look at that strength for GBP. I mean, this thing should be pushing up, man. 52% are short. That's the losers, though. Got about 6 minutes and 50 seconds. It is pulling down. Coming back to our entry here. All right, let's see. Coming back to our entry. Ooh, okay, it's at our entry. Gonna do what you gonna do. What you gonna do? See, now it's pulling into drawdown. I still think it has opportunity to go up. I don't think that this could just be grabbing some volume. I want to pay attention to these wicks right here, breaking the body down here. See, it's testing this moving average, and that's what could be right here. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Push it back up. Push it back up. Got about 4 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 4 minutes on the 30 as well. Pushing back up here. Got about 3.5 minutes, 3.5 minutes. Yo, if you're just joining us, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I am your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. We are currently in a live trade. If you missed it, sorry. We already hit TP1. And we're currently watching this thing to see how it's going to play out. But if you don't want to miss the next trade, make sure you consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell so you're notified when I go live. I live trade every London session. Ooh. Got about 2.5 minutes left here. This candle is still good. I mean, look at the lows here. I mean, it's not breaking the lows, you know, which is a good thing. Ideally, I don't want this candle to close below this candle, like the body. Hopefully, it just pulls right back up in the next 2 minutes, and then gives us that volume we need to continue to the upside. Let's go, baby. We got about a minute left here. Candle's looking lovely. Could have just been, like I said, grabbing some volume. I mean, it's pulling back up. Got about 40 seconds, 30 seconds here. You know, if this candle closes bullish, it'd be even better, even more better. Champ, hey, what's good, brother? Damn, I hope you didn't miss out, bro, on this fucking trade. Did you just get here? I wonder where's Sunny and Tom. Do you guys catch this? About 2 seconds left here. Okay. Candle's closing. Still looking nice. Bro, I just woke up. Oh man. Damn it, bro. We caught 15 pips here. Already hit take profit 1. Came back down, grabbing some volume. This candle did close bearish, but it's not engulfing. It's not a lower low. And it could just be grabbing some volume to continue to the upside. So this new candle just started. Could be creating the wick to the downside right now before it pushes up. Ideally, we would want to see this not go lower than the previous wick and then continue to create higher highs. That would be phenomenal. On a Monday, guys, on a Monday. Let's go, baby. I messed up big time. It's all good, bro. I'll be here tomorrow again. I'm on a fucking vengeance, man. Like last week, I didn't like the way last week went because I wasn't able to stream Thursday, Friday, and then I just had two back-to-back L's. Man, I felt so shitty. I was like, damn, dude, like all these people are like following and they're probably taking these trades and they probably like took L's and like, you know, I want to make sure that I'm doing the best I can for you guys to be taking, you know, getting wins. I know like losses are part of the game and we're going to take some L's, but like, I don't like, even if we take L's like in the week, I don't want to end the week, you know, down. You know, I want to at least if we can break even or in profits. So I just felt bad for last week, but you know, it's part of the game, man. Like, at the end of the day, there's no way we won't take any L's, and we had been on a fucking streak anyways. Like, that's how the market be doing you, bro. The market will humble you real quick. You know, any other person that isn't ready for that kind of shit would let the winning streak get to their head, start throwing like huge lot sizes, and that's how you fucking lose. That's how you lose all your money. Even when you're on a winning streak, you gotta still follow your trading plan, still follow your risk management, still manage your trades, like all of that. All of that. Look at this. We're going back up, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Hit TP1 again. Man, and you guys that are in here that took this, like, you understand, like, came back into here to break even. That's another opportunity for another entry if you wanted. I mean, this is still one trade setup, one, you know what I'm saying? Like, what you want to pay attention to is how much risk you have. How much risk you have on the table, and if you can add more to it, you know, like I said, 1 to 3%. 1 to 3%. Ideally, Mondays you use less risk just because it's Mondays. But you know, you make those decisions. Like you have to be able to manage your trades. Like I'm giving you the whole fucking setup, the levels and everything. Like, you know, I can't sit here and calculate everybody's accounts and manage everybody's trades. But you should at least be able to do that. Currently in profit about 12 pips. It's looking like it wants to pop up. Pop up, baby. Go ahead. I ain't gonna be mad at you. Fly. 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 Come on, GJ. See what gold is doing. Okay, so look, gold pulled down and maybe just did a little quick retrace. Probably run on fib here. Literally rejected golden zone, pushing up. Got about 10 minutes left. 10 minutes left on this candle. Don't sweat it if you missed a trade, guys. If you're just jumping in and you missed the trade, like, I'm here all week. I'm here all week, and we're gonna be catching some nice moves all week. Like, I'm about it. I have my setups. I know what we need to do. Just keep showing up. I mean, I'm gonna keep showing up. You guys don't have to, but if you want to, you can. It's up to you guys. Come on, GJ. I just like want one fat ass candle, just boom. Like close up here, and that'd be hella nice. I mean, I don't want to say, but like I like what it looks like. Like you guys see that these levels, it's creating resistance and then breaking, creating. We want to see it break again, like just like steps, you know. Do 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 do. Got about 7 minutes. What the Chinese indicator says. Still all the strength with GBP, JPY. What the losers are doing. Losers 51% is short now. I think they're changing their minds. Or getting stopped out. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, let's go. Got about 5.5 minutes. 5.5 minutes. Come on now. Pull up. Pull up. Oh, come on now. What you doing? What you doing? Pull up, pull up. There you go. There you go. Got about 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on the 15. 18 on the 30. Yeah, that 30-minute candle's forming. Come on, GJ. Let's do this. Be ready. There you go. There you go. Push up. We got about 30 seconds left on this 15-minute candle. I mean, it's got room to run. Got room to run. $15 still closed bullish. Okay, it's pushing down. What you gonna do, GJ? Got about 45 minutes left. on the stream. Currently in an active trade, currently in profits. Already hit take profit 1. Let's go. And you see how, look at this 15 minutes. See, this is the wick, the low, and then the next wick is up here, 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 next wick is up here. Like, it's moving up. See that, right? Creating higher highs. We want to see this candle go higher than this wick to give us more confidence that it's going to continue to the upside. Currently up about 10 pips. Got a nice little crossover right here on the moving averages. Usually when blue crosses over red, blue crosses over red, you get a move like this. Boom. See that? That's kind of what we got going on right here. So we do expect this to, this should shoot up. Give us a nice bullish push up to the upside. And you know, maybe it doesn't reach this till New York session, but you know, we caught it down here, and as long as it's hitting these levels, you guys should be able to manage it from there. Got about 10.5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Ideally, we want to see this candle create a new high. Like if it, even if it wicks just up here, like that would be ideal. About 40 minutes left on the stream. We did jump into a buy trade activated here. And we are currently in profits, about 10 pips. Watch the next movement's probably going to be like maybe around 5 a.m. Like around here. We're in New York open or pre-New York. Ugh. And I'm ready to take my nap. Tired. Got about 7 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. About 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. About 4 minutes left. Honestly, I just don't think that this, it's like consolidating right here. I don't think this is the true London volume, you know? That's why I'm waiting for that push. I mean, it could push either way, really, but I really think it's gonna push up. Roma, what's good, bro? Damn, homie, you missed out. We're in a trade right now. Currently up. We hit our first take profit right here, about 15 pips. And just watching it right now. Got about a minute and a half left on this 15-minute candle. Oh shit, you caught it from 149.800? Nice. Hell yeah. Good shit, bro. I didn't see you jump on the stream earlier. We jumped in over here. Damn, so I mean you should be up some nice profits there. Got about 30 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, I don't like that it's failing to make new highs. See, it pumped up here, this failed, and now this is failing. Got 20 seconds left on it. Could be pulling back, get some more volume before it continues. Probably retest this area. About 5 seconds here. What you gonna do, GJ? What you gonna do? Yeah, I don't really like this candle. And the 30-minute, that's a bearish doji. So this could be indication of price reversal. Which could give us a good indication to get out if you're still in it. Like I said, you guys manage your own trades. I'm just talking what I see. This is the last 30-minute candle before the stream is over. I only stream till 3:30, so right now what we're looking at is we have this huge push up. We have this bearish doji, which is indication of price reversal. And then we do have the current candle pushing down. So you could excuse me, like I said, close out a position, put stops to break even, do what you think is best. I mean, we already hit take profit 1. Things coming back down to break even. Come on, baby. In the last 45 minutes, it hasn't been able to make a new high. Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. Got about 10 minutes left here on this candle. Uh-oh. Come on now. Come on now. You want to go up now? Give us a little push. Got about 9 minutes on this candle, and it looks like it is beginning to push up for a new high. Is a good sign. engulfing this candle, and potentially these two. It would be nice. It closed over here somewhere. Like boom. On GJ. Got about 6 minutes and 50 seconds left on the candle. 15-minute candle. It is moving nice here. Like the way we want it. Six minutes left. Nice. Got 5 minutes left and it is moving nicely. Look at that. This candle now is higher than this one in the body, this one, and this one. Breaking this old level of resistance. A big candle. If we can get this to close up here, you know, the probability that we continue to the next level is in our favor. Hitting take profit again. Take profit one. Yep. About 15 pips, 14 and a half pips. Oh, there it goes. 4 minutes left. Creating new highs. There we go. Here we go, baby. We're flying. 19 pips. Come on. Let's go to take profit two. Go to take profit two, baby. Come on now. Got about 3.5 minutes. Would be nice to close up here. Be nice, clean direction. The upside. Got about 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. It is now bullish, engulfing the last 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. It's a good sign. Good sign if it closes here. 2.5 minutes left. Ugh. I like it. I like it. TJ is going to keep flying if it breaks, especially TP2, if it breaks the level of resistance. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's why I had this level here. I mean, we got some nice room here, like, and ideally, like, especially because of this big move, like, I kind of expected to come and test this level. You know, that's why I have my final take profit over here. But the thing is that I don't know if this level might not get tested during London session. Like, this level may get tested during New York. Got about 20 seconds left here. This candle closes like this right here, breaking all this. It's a good sign for us. Currently up about 17 pips. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Okay, candle is closing. 18 pips. 18 pips in profit right now. Okay, we're on our last 15-minute candle before the end of the session. Looking for a re-entry. You know, I would hold off on the re-entry right now. Because your levels are really close right here. The risk to reward ratio is not worth it in this area. Come on, baby. Hit TP2. Pushing up. About 19 pips in profit. Oh my gosh, I'm fucking tired. Tired as hell on a Monday, and we still caught wins, baby. How about that? How about that? Maybe if you're looking at like a fib here. Maybe you get a re-entry around this area. It pulls back. Test this again. Could be a possibility. We got about 12.5 minutes left here, guys. We are currently in profit, over 15 pips here. Hit our take profit 1, about halfway to our take profit 2. Got about 10.5 minutes left on the stream and on this last candle. Back. What's up, champ? Get a buy in 40 minutes if it stays above your support. Yeah, for like the New York session. got about 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left on the stream. 8 minutes left on this candle. All right, so got about 6.5 minutes left here. Let's pull them back from that little pull down. A good sign. To keep this thing just climbing, climbing. Got about 5 minutes left here. Got about 4 minutes left here, guys. It looks like it's just kind of retesting this area right here. You know, where it broke out of. And it is holding for now. Okay, we got about 3.5 minutes. Oh, this thing pushed down. Got a minute and a half. Thing is pulling down. Could be retesting support. Got about 50 seconds left here. Got about 30 seconds. Pulling back up. 15 seconds. Boom. That's it. So this candle just closed bearish. But you know, it's not pushing down, creating new lows. None of that. I mean, it could just be grabbing a bit of volume before it continues. Trade setup is still valid. It is 3:30 a.m. You know, if you caught this with me, we caught like 20 pips here. Hit take profit 1. You could have closed out partials, just as your stop loss to break even. Either way, you should be still in profits. I'm gonna go ahead and jump off the stream because that is my time, 3:30 a.m. If you caught this trade, if you got any value out of this, please consider giving me a like. That way more people can begin to find this channel and also join us on this journey while we trade live every day, Monday through Friday. Also, if you are new, consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and that way you're notified when we go live every day, Monday through Friday, 12:30 a.m. Central Standard Time to 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. And that's it. That's my time, guys. It's been a pleasure. I hope you guys caught some pips. I hope you guys made some money. And if not, I'll be back tomorrow and we'll do it all over again. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys. Much love. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.